Hello everyone, welcome back in a new video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a daily command since it was requested by one of our subscribers in the Discord server. So without further ado, let's hop into the video.
Just the two of us. We can make it if we try. The two of us.
Alright, here we are into Visual Studio Code. So first thing I want to do is to go to the models we have, the member schema. So right here, I'll need to add a daily. Okay. And if you want to do it monthly as well, it's easy. But just I'll tell you how while doing the video. I'll tell you how to make it daily, how to make it weekly, how to make it monthly. It's not that hard. Okay. So daily here, the type is going to be a number. Default. Let's not put actually default. Let's just put like that. Okay. Here. Alright, that's nice. So now let's go to our data handler. Let's go here and let's create a new command, name it daily. Okay, or plain daily. I don't even know. Let's just call it daily. Alright, description is going to be claim your daily coins. Nice. That's it, basically. Nothing else. So let's check if it works actually first. Okay. Now let's go out to here, slash commands, to economy, to balance. Here we got our last code, so we don't really need this now because it's another command. So let's start coding. So const, first I want to define the schema. So const schema equal require like this, model slash member schema. Nice. Now let me add const discord equal require discord.js, and we will need something called parse ms. Okay, so npm I parse ms, but we'll need a certain version of it, and the certain version of it will be 2.1.0. so I'm gonna do npm I parse ms at 2.1.0. Enter. Okay, now I'm going to do const ms equal require parse ms. Okay, now I think things are getting nicer, and no, they are not anymore. npm audit fix if you got something like that. Alright. So still there is some stuff here. Okay, that's not this problem. It's just from the package of Coney, right? Coney's package. Anyways, let's now start by putting slash command. The name is going to be daily. Okay, and I'm used to this, so let it be like that. Anyways, so first I want to get the user that did the slash command. So I'm going to use let user equal interaction.user. Okay. So now I want to get the data from the DB, okay, database. So I'm going to do let data and then try. Let's do a try and catch. If there is an error, I want to console.log it. And I'm going to try to data is equal to await schema dot find one, where the ID, the user ID, let me check if I did user ID. Yeah, user ID. So user ID is going to be user.id basically, and a daily, let's say, and guild ID is going to be the interaction.guild.id. Okay, so now if there is no data, it's the first time for the person to use this, so I want to create data for it. So I'm going to just make it the same, but schema.create user data guild ID here as so we got guild ID as well. So once we've done that, we have the data. So let timeout or time in MS, basically this is the time where the person will need to wait. Okay, so let's say, wait, let me open Google Chrome and show you what I mean. So, what is 1 day in MS? Okay, I just want, okay, here, this. So, it's gonna be this. If you want to make it a monthly or a weekly, like let's say 1 week, okay, that's 1 week. So you're gonna just replace this number to make it 1 week. If you want it 1 month, there, that's 1 month. I don't think that's that hard. So yeah, now we got this time. So we're gonna do a little bit of math today, okay? So first of all, I want to get the random number that's gonna be added to the person. So I'm gonna do let random amount, okay, equal math, oops, math.flow, and then math.random. So we want the minimum amount to be like 1k. Okay, that's the minimum amount. And the maximum amount, let's say, what? Let's say 5k. If it's 5k, so let's put it like that. Because 4k plus 1k, that's 5k. So now we will need to do the math. So let's say if time, like time in MS, let me call it timeout. Okay. So if timeout minus date dot now minus daily, like the daily time saved in the DB. So date dot now minus the data dot daily, okay, is bigger than 0. That means that the person actually like didn't pass the time yet. Okay, so yeah, that's kind of confusing. You will just make some math. You gotta calculate this, okay, and then make it minus this. And if it's less than 0, well, I mean bigger than 0, that means that the time didn't end yet. Okay, so we need to get the time left. Okay, because I said in the thumbnail of this video with time left. So time left will be ms timeout minus like this part. Here, let me just copy it. Here we go. Okay, so now let's actually make let's send it directly. You know what? Message dot oops, not message. We're doing an interaction. So interaction dot reply. And gonna be you already claimed your daily gift. Try again after. Okay, and I'm gonna put like 2 points, line break, and I'm gonna say let's say it like this. Time left dot hours. I'm gonna say hours here, and time left dot minutes. And I'm gonna say minutes here, and time left dot seconds, and basically seconds here. Okay, so now I need to put it in a return because I want it to end right over there. Okay, else, okay, if everything works fine and the person didn't claim, like, it's fine, he's ready to claim it. So what I'm gonna do, data.daily equal date.now, okay, and then data.coins, you want to add the random number basically, so random amount, and then I'm gonna await data.save, and at the end of this I'm gonna just do interaction.reply. You successfully claimed your daily gift with the worth of let's say random amount dollars, I guess. Okay, let's give this a try. Hopefully it works, as I think that there's something wrong with the MS package. So slash daily. Okay, here it did. There is no errors. Good. You successfully claimed your daily with a worth of that. Basically, let me try to check my balance. So balance check. Nice. I have my balance ready. So let me try to claim it again. Okay, here it's actually working without any errors. That's poggers from the first try. So here, you already claimed your daily gift. Try again after 24 hours, 59 minutes and 38 seconds. Let me try it again in front of y'all. Here, it's working. So that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like and to subscribe and to leave a comment down below what you want the next video to be. That's it, and ciao.